Hello, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm going to a waterfall in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, where I live, and I have free time, so I was just feeling like going into a nature trip, because Rio de Janeiro is a city where there is so much nature in it. We have so many beaches, there is like a huge forest, and it's called Tijuca Forest. And inside of this forest, I've heard there is waterfall. So this is what I'm going to look for. For now, I'm in this so bougie neighborhood with like huge like architecture houses, and the forest starting already. There is so I don't know if you can see like the big buildings there in the end. So yeah, I'm going to try to look for the entry of this waterfall and climb up the whole forest. I'm on my own because everybody's working. It's weekdays, but I don't know, I hope it's going to be fun. We are already entering in jungles now. As I said, there is so big houses that look super expensive. Can you see this? I think this house is over $1 million, or even more. But for Brazil, this is so crazy. Like, actually, this is a whole super securized neighborhood where you need to speak with security guard to get inside of this neighborhood. They don't let cars enter and these kind of things. And behind is like Mata Atlântica, like Atlantic Forest. I am in downtown Rio de Janeiro right now. I'm not far away from anything. If I go down like 2 minutes by car, there is like big avenues and these kind of things. Can you believe it? For me, it looks like I'm in the countryside already. Like I drove 1 hour or something. But no, this is like in the middle of the city. It's super protected areas. Yeah, people always wait to have company to do this kind of things. Honestly, today I felt like I just want to be on my own with trees, with nature, like just relax and show you guys. So it's a good opportunity to do a vlog too. So that's it. I think we're entering now because I see the car is like I'm going to explain the roads. So here is the map of the whole forest. We are here, and where I want to go is this one, Primatas, Cachoeira dos Primatas. So I think this should be more or less 20 minutes walk or something. So what they're saying, stay on the trails, don't take plants, there is no signal. Oh my god. Walk in small group. I'm not in small group, I'm alone. Now I'm afraid. Should I follow this woman that just entered? There is snakes. Okay, let's go. I will walk not too far from this woman, so I will feel like more safe. Sometimes there is crazy stories in the jungle, but I am manifesting my guardian angels that always protect me to protect me one more time. When I do this, I feel like I'm a fairy going back to her natural state. I feel like suddenly I'm a witch and I'm gonna take the little things like the shrooms and the leaves and do all these things, do the spells, connect with nature and God. My friend told me, don't go there alone, like let me come with you another day, but I was free today, so I don't even think this is dangerous. I was speaking with this woman that is walking behind me, and she said she come here all the time alone and like nothing ever happened, you know. Sorry guys, I need to give a context to this because sometimes I keep on speaking about, oh, is it dangerous, is it dangerous? Is that because there is a big reality of crime in Rio de Janeiro that even if you live freely and like nobody should be afraid, you know, and I'm not the person that is like controlled by fear, but there is realities. Like there is a lot of social injustices here, with people living in slums and people having helicopter on the rooftop, you know, and this creates a lot of like criminality, a lot of robberies or sequestration, these kind of things, you know. I've heard many stories like this. So this is why I'm always mentioning these like danger things, especially because I am also a woman on my own, and unfortunately this is making me weaker for this type of incidents.
Look at that.
Hola.
Hello.
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 You went to the waterfall?
Yes.
It was good there?
It's good. Not so much water, but good.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
I'm so cold.
What?
It's really cold.
Ah, it's really cold. Ah, I was expecting this. English people or American, I don't know. I never hear anyone speaking English. It's so rare. Climbing, 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 'cause I am that fairy looking for the fairy waterfall. I can't wait to dive into cold water. I swear this is my dream now. It's super wet, you know. It's not even that hot, but it's like so wet weather. After the stairs of favela, welcome to the climbing of the jungle. Believe me, if you're in Brazil, your legs are strong. I just stopped to just listen to the nature. I feel like I'm Alice au Pays des Merveilles. Wonderland, Alice maybe, in English. You know, this calmed me down immediately. I arrived with so many like fast energies, like I was like working, doing so many things at the same time. Now I feel like I'm breathing deeper. Everything is more clear. Nature is the medicine. Alright, so another information here. Mirante, macaco. Where are we? I think we are here, so I should just go here. Yes, I think it's this way. The jungle is so alive. Like you hear so many noises of life, and it's actually reassuring. It means life is still there, but it can be scary though. Okay, I think I'm alright to swim. I can hear the waterfall, I can hear the water. We are so close, we're arriving. Wow. I put myself in my bikini already, so I can dive in immediately. No time. So there is like the under parts, and now here, and I think I'm going to go like up there on the top of it. Is there waterfalls in your country where you live? Is it also like a cultural thing to go to waterfalls? It's good because there is not so many people now. Whoa, I arrived. Okay, I think I'm going directly in the water. Oi, tudo bom? No time. You know, you just put your head, you dive it, and it's like so slippery. Okay, it's like electric shock, guys. I swear, this water is so cold, but it feels so good. Oh my god, I want to do this like again so soon. Look at this. And I think now it's pretty empty because maybe when it rains more, it's like more full, you know. But it's already so good. What this man is doing there is what I'm going to do soon. So soon. He was like sitting and staying under there. Guys, this is making me so jealous. I wanna go. Okay, I'm heading now. I wanna sit in there. I stayed longer. That's why it's so hard to stay longer than what I did now. Because the cold is like so cold, and also it's making you breathe so deeper. Like you breathe until you cannot breathe anymore, you know? This feeling is so good. Guys, I'm almost alone here. There was like kids, but they went down there. This is why it's cool to do things on a Tuesday afternoon. On your own, in the jungle, in Brazil. Everyone must go to nature sometimes, even if it's a forest, or a beach, or a waterfall, or the mountain, whatever is like around you. But this is part of our condition as human beings, and we cannot neglect it, because this is our balance. It's like, you know, Brazilian people are super spiritual, and they have a spirituality that is very complex because it's linked to African heritage, and also indigenous and also Christian. And so there is like a mix of so many beliefs that are monotheist but also so much connected to nature and to elements. And like the waterfall thing is so like spiritual cleanse, you know, and I feel it so much now because this forest, specifically here in Brazil, is very dense. It's not like the forest where I come from, for example, where it's south of France. It's very dry and not like mystic, you know. Look at this here. There is so many little little things inside, you know. So it creates this atmosphere of connection, you know. I will keep this as a routine. I will come back here many times. I will come back here maybe once a week if I get the chance. It's not so far from my home. It was like 30 minutes bus and then like just 20 minutes walk. So it's okay. And I will bring here my besties. Ciao little waterfalls. I'm going now. Time to climb down all of this before it gets dark. It was so good. I don't regret. I feel so relaxed now and so calm, you know. I will just climb down everything like a little fairy from the jungle. And I think it will be faster to go down. Guys, this place is called Waterfall of Primatas. I will put it in the description so you can check if ever you want to come to Brazil and come to this place. Yeah, it was this direction. Yes, Primatas. I think Primatas means monkey, right? Look at this little river. She's so cute. Let's check it out. I think I'm almost out of the forest, so enjoying the last moments with her. Guys, I'm arriving to the road. This little trip is going to his ends now. I really wish I could put some music on my YouTube video because I was listening to, guess which song? Every day na holiday. Also, this song gives me so much energy and I wish I could like put it on this video and like listen to it and dance to it and, you know, like share this vibe with you. But it's okay, I will just make a short with this. Leaving this jungle. I still need to cross this big neighborhood that I was in, and I'm going back to the bus and the road and the city and the movement and all of this. I feel like I was on holidays for like 10 days. Ciao natureza, bye bye nature. So I'm already in the streets now and it looks like this. And I'm with my juice. Guys, watermelon juice, best thing ever. Do this in your home. So healthy and so delicious. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my little waterfall escape in the city, and thank you so much for subscribing and for watching my videos. And if you have any suggestion of things you want to see here in Rio de Janeiro, you can just put it in the comments and I will try to answer to you. Bye!